Hi, my name is Pawel Teodorczyk and I'm a solution engineer at Parasoft. In today's video, you are going to learn how you can easily handle OAuth 2.0 authentication in Parasoft SOAtest. When I try to sign into my application, I am redirected to my OAuth 2.0 provider, where I provide my credentials. What happens when I click sign in is that my application retrieves authorization code, which is in turn being exchanged for a bearer token that can be used to access my APIs. When I try to run a test against one of my APIs in Parasoft SOAtest, what happens is that the test fails because I am not authorized to access this certain API. In order to address it, we need to provide our test suite with OAuth 2.0 authentication. And this is a very quick and simple two-step process. As a first step, I am going to record my login action so that Parasoft SOAtest knows how to intercept authorization code and exchange it for a bearer token. I am logging in into my application. And that's it. I can stop the recording. Now Parasoft SOAtest will know how to retrieve a bearer token. Now, as a second step, what I need to do is I need to make sure that my OAuth 2.0 provider is aware of a valid URI to which my client will be redirected. So I need to register this URI with my OAuth 2.0 provider. This is the URI to which I will be redirected, and this is the name of my client. So now, as I go back to SOAtest, I just need to make sure that this is the client which will be running the test. So let's re-execute this test. And it looks like we are authenticated successfully, and the test is passing. One last important thing to mention is how Parasoft SOAtest is handling your bearer token. What you'll notice in this request header is that my bearer token is being masked to make sure that no unauthorized personnel can intercept this token in the process. That's it from my side. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to visit parasoft.com to find out more about our solutions.